Today's video is your guide to an in-depth study and understanding about the principles and belief of the ancient Hawaiians Ho'oponopono. And if you are seeking to embark on a journey of self-discovery to unlock the full potential of Ho'oponopono, this video will lead you through the Dr. Joe Vitale Ho'oponopono certification course, which can be your guiding light in your pursuit of healing and personal growth. So, stay tuned and watch this video till the end to discover the truth about the concept of Ho'oponopono and understand the belief that whatever you experience right now is just the profound impact of something that you have done in the past. Would you believe that according to the ancient Hawaiians' belief, everyone, including you and me, is responsible for everything that is happening in our own world? That if something exists in the world around us, then we are the one who has actually created it. Oh, really? How is that so? Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. The principles of the ancient Hawaiians Ho'oponopono explained that your external world is the reflections of your own internal world. In other words, your experiences and perceptions of reality are shaped by your own thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. And if we harbor negative thoughts and emotions within ourselves, they can manifest as negative experiences and circumstances in our external reality. These could be past traumas, unresolved conflicts, feelings of guilt, shame, fear, anger, or any other negative emotions that continue to affect our present experiences. If you hold on to feelings of anger, resentment, or fear, these emotions can attract similar situations or people into your life that trigger those negative feelings. Similarly, if someone carries the feelings of unworthiness or self-doubt, they may find themselves in situations that reinforce those beliefs. In the context of Ho'oponopono, the experiences of reality that need to be cleaned refers to any negative or limiting thoughts, beliefs, memories, or emotions that we hold within ourselves. The impact of this understanding can be twofold. Number 1, taking responsibility. Understanding that we have co-created our experiences means taking responsibility for our part in shaping our reality. This realization empowers individuals to recognize their role in the events and circumstances of their lives. By taking responsibility, we can avoid the victim mentality and regain a sense of control over our experiences. Number 2, healing and transformation. Recognizing that our negative emotions and beliefs contribute to our reality opens the door to healing and transformation. Ho'oponopono encourages individuals to address and clear these negative energies through the process of cleaning and healing. By repeating the 4 phrases,
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.
Individuals seek to release and heal the underlying emotional patterns that create negative experiences. By practicing Ho'oponopono and cleaning these negative energies, individuals can experience the following benefit. Number 1, reduced stress and anxiety. Releasing negative emotions can lead to a sense of calm and peace within, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Number 2, improved relationships. Clearing emotional baggage can positively impact relationships, leading to healthier interactions and connections with others. Number 3, increased self-awareness. The practice of Ho'oponopono fosters self-reflection and self-awareness, allowing individuals to better understand their thought patterns and emotions. Number 4, enhanced well-being. Releasing negative energies can improve overall well-being and contribute to a more positive outlook on life. Number 5, heightened resilience. By taking responsibility for your experiences, you can develop greater resilience in navigating life's challenges. In the pursuit of healing and personal growth, it's essential to understand that the process might not happen overnight, especially if you are doing it on your own and without the guidance of experts and professionals in the field of self-healing and personal growth. Just like the waves that gradually shape the shore, healing through Ho'oponopono requires time and consistent practice and much more effective with professional guidance. If you're seeking to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock the full potential of Ho'oponopono, the Dr. Joe Vitale Ho'oponopono certification course can be your guiding light. This comprehensive online program is specifically designed to help you overcome limiting beliefs and connect with your inner self. Through this course, you'll learn how to embrace the modern version of this ancient self-cleaning art. Dr. Joe Vitale's teachings will take you on a profound journey of self-healing and help you remove self-imposed boundaries. Dr. Joe Vitale, a renowned author, speaker, and teacher, is a leading figure in the field of self-help and personal growth. With a journey that has inspired countless individuals, he has become a beacon of hope and transformation. Dr. Joe Vitale's remarkable journey has been recognized with numerous awards and honors, solidifying his position as a true thought leader in the world of personal growth. Dr. Joe Vitale's life is a testament to the power of resilience, growth, and self-discovery. His unwavering commitment to helping others find their true potential has left an indelible mark on the world of personal development. With a charismatic and engaging speaking style, Dr. Joe Vitale has graced stages across the globe, captivating audiences with his teachings on manifestation, healing, and the power of the mind. As a sought-after teacher, Dr. Joe Vitale has shared his wisdom through workshops and courses, guiding countless individuals on their path to self-discovery and transformation. Ho'oponopono certification course has remote healing power and properties with modern Ho'oponopono that offers 100% control of your life. As you progress through the Dr. Joe Vitale Ho'oponopono certification course, you'll discover the power of the four-phrase Ho'oponopono mantra, combined with a change of mindset. This powerful combination can clear the data of your memories, granting you 100% responsibility for every aspect of your life. The Dr. Joe Vitale's Ho'oponopono certification course offers a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share their journeys and experiences. You'll find a safe space to grow and heal alongside others who seek similar transformations with the close guidance of the program's instructors. Dr. Joe Vitale, star of the hot movie The Secret, author of over 50 books, including The Attractor Factor and The Key. Matthew Dixon, world-renowned healing musician, producer of over 12 different healing projects with Dr. Joe Vitale, author and owner of Zero Limits Music. Dr. Hugh Len, modern Ho'oponopono developer, therapist, and revolutionary spiritual, emotional, and material problem-solving expert. Ho'oponopono Practitioner Certification Guidebook provides 8 chapters of background information, history of Ho'oponopono, modern adaptations, details and instructions for course completion and certification, 8 video lessons, and a total of 6 hours and 40 minutes of seminar-style instruction will introduce you to never-before-seen footage of Dr. Joe Vitale's Zero Limits event, featuring Dr. Hugh Len and 4+ additional contributors. Following their video instruction, you'll learn the fundamentals of Ho'oponopono for private and professional practice. With time and consistent practice, the Ho'oponopono process can lead to profound changes in your life. As you release negative emotions and limiting beliefs, you create space for healing and transformation to occur in your life. Completing the Dr. Joe Vitale Ho'oponopono certification course will not only empower you to heal yourself, but also equip you with the knowledge and skills to assist others on their healing journeys. You will also learn to help yourself and help others free their minds from past thoughts and memories that hold them back, unlocking new doors of opportunity and inspiration. Remember, healing and transformation through Ho'oponopono practice is a gradual process, and the Dr. Joe Vitale Ho'oponopono certification course is a valuable investment in your personal growth. At the end of this video, please click the link in the description and pinned comment to discover the details and complete information about the power of modern Ho'oponopono through the guided step-by-step lessons of Ho'oponopono certification course. As you embark on this healing journey, remember to be patient with yourself and trust the process. Consistent practice, coupled with the wisdom of Dr. Joe Vitale's Ho'oponopono certification course, can lead to profound healing and transformation in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and transformational experiences. Embrace the journey of healing through Ho'oponopono and unlock the power within you. Thank you for joining us today. With modern Ho'oponopono, you can take 100% control of your life.